This is On Tilt Trading. I'm here to review my current active trades here in the crypto market. First up, we'll go to Bitcoin. So we have Bitcoin here. Actually, we're just in ADA. We'll stick to ADA just to start out. We'll work our way down. So here we have ADA, Cardano. We can see here, or just for reference, this black area of the screen, this is my candlestick area. This area of the screen, this is my volume profile, and the bottom area of the screen is my relative strength index. If you see this purple line, it coincides with the purple lines that are down here. This is the 1 minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. And these purple lines that you see, these are Camarilla pivot points. These are areas based on price, based on previous, or these are daily levels. So this is based on yesterday's daily levels, and every day new cam levels or new Camarilla pivot levels are set. My trading system is based off of these Camarilla pivots. A lot of algorithms are also programmed with these Camarilla pivots as well. So we'll zoom in. So I take an entry here on Cardano here at 1456. This area of increased volume here. This is the close of the U.S. market. And we can see that we've been selling off here in the crypto market here at the close of the U.S. market. We can also see that we are oversold, or we were oversold here. So this we're approaching target, and we can see these extreme wicks here on these candles. So quite a bit, and we can see the volume profile, as I mentioned, very aggressive selling. We can see from this price action and from these indicators that a lot of volume, or large volume of the currency is being exchanged here. We'll zoom in and take a closer look at my entry. So this is an S4 to an S6 traverse. We'll bring our attention down here to the 15-minute chart. So this is R4, R3, S3, S3, S4, S6 is down here. We just haven't gotten there yet, but it's down here. So these are the Camarilla pivots that are on display currently based on the range of the price action here. And my signal to go short is price action is below S4. So here, this line here, this is S4. We can see here, breaks out, holds S4 here. So there's a seller here, keeping the price below S4. As it consolidates here, likely distributing some shares. Small breakdown. It's bought back up over S4. Put in this isolated pivot right here, and then this isolated pivot high, and I'm watching it, and the RSI for these candles start to go down, and this is the third candle where RSI was declining. So I took my entry here. You can See that. And then see my order. We'll come down up here for scale. So down here on the 15-minute, you can see this green line here. This is my stop loss. So my stop. So here you can see my stop loss is right above this wick right here, which coincides with this candle right here. And then we'll zoom out. And then you can see here at 0.8, this is S6. This is my target. This is S4 here. This dotted line, this is my entry. And that'll give you some perspective on the trade. Since entry, again, we almost made it to target down here. Ran into heavy resistance here. Buyers were able to push the currency price back into a higher range. Now we did a little consolidating in this area. Buyers able to move the price higher. Now sellers seem to have some control, have moved the price back lower. We seem to be doing some consolidation here, possibly preparing for another breakout and another leg lower. I'm not certain if there's anything that is right in this area to defend since it sold off so hard or so aggressively, and then we may be heading back into this lower range, possibly down to S6 for a target. But that's my trade on Cardano. At the same time, and all of these trades were happening at the same time. So trying to time them and catch them definitely took some patience. Excuse me, took some patience and some speed. If you can put those two things together. Here we have Bitcoin. Same thing. So we have here. This is S3. This is S4. So we have a breakout of the S4 Camarilla pivot here, and then we have the price action pulling back, and then I'm able to take this trade back up here near the pullback, and you can see this is my stop loss up here. My stop loss up here. This green line that is just below this purple line here is just a few cents over this candle, over this wick. Took my entry right here where you see this dotted line. Had a nice breakdown. This being my entry signal here. This being my entry signal here with Bitcoin being overbought. So I was looking to sell. We can also see increased volume in this area. This is also the close of the U.S. market. And the target is S6, which is down here somewhere. I'll put it into perspective on the 15-minute. So here, so this is R6 down here, and you can see where my take profit area is, so we can get down to R6. We'll take some profits out. Next up we have, let's do link. Okay. Similar situation with Link. Link was out of the four positions that I'm currently in. Link was. I'm not seeing Link here. Link was the last position that I entered out of these. I was late because I was catching the other ones. Also, as I scan for trading opportunities, once I find one, I focus in on it. I get my orders set, get everything done, and then I move to the next. And typically this is done based on the amount of volume a particular currency pair is trading at. So I search for currency pairs to trade based on volume. So the higher the volume, the higher on the watch list that I will have a currency pair. So as I make my way from the currency pair with the most volume to the currency pair with the least volume, Link had less volume than Bitcoin, Cardano, and who else was I trading today? Or who else is in here? Stellar. Okay. So the volume was higher everywhere. I think Link was behind as far as in like the price action, because ideally when I take an entry for this type of trade, seeing here that it is overbought, I look to take the trade in this area. I look for taking these types of trades, or all my trades now currently, since I'm working on my entries. I look to get an entry up here, but as I mentioned, I was late to this one, so I had to tier in down here in this second stage, which was fine. Being able to get into those other ones worked out, and then here, instead of having my stop back here and my entry back here, since I took an entry here, I was able to make my stop loss a lot tighter. So you can see here, this is my stop loss, this green line here. So I took an entry in this candle and put a stop right above this candle, this wick here, and it held. And same thing, this is a S4 to an S6 traverse. So we're able to break out. Again, some heavy resistance down here, very large volume profile. Oversold here. We got some pullback, and now we're doing some consolidating here in a very tight range. So we could go up, could go down, could stay sideways for a while before we eventually move out of this range. But since pullback, we've been slowly trending lower in price on this pair. And for perspective, on the 15-minute, we'll get an idea of target. So this is where this green line is. This is S6 here. And we'll move to the last currency pair we have here. Okay, so this is Stellar XLM. Same scenario as the other three. currency pairs, high volume. Here, overbought. We have this pivot high up here, and actually my candle is off. One second. There. Okay, so I take my entry here on this candle that is selling off aggressively here, where you see this red dotted line. This is where I was able to gain an entry. Okay, and you can see here I've got my stop loss. I've got my stop loss up here, and it's set just a few cents above this pivot high that's right here. So I'm able to take the entry. We get some aggressive selling. We get oversold down here. Again, we get these this wiki price action, so some aggressive buyers down here defending this area. Price moves back up, and we can see here having S4, which was serving as resistance on the way down. Once this breakdown has occurred, as buyers are retesting this S4 level, it is now turned into resistance, which is very common for price areas of price. What was resistance becomes support, and vice versa. And this is a good example of that. So right now we're consolidating in a tight range. So we'll see if we can break out of this range one way or the other. If all goes well, we'll break out that way and hit target at S6. But we seem to have been turning the corner here and moving towards target on all the currency pairs at this moment. Put on $10 risk per trade. I'm going a small size. I've been testing my trading system out. I've been making some adjustments. Been testing my trading system out. Found some things that I like, found some things that I don't like. These are all of my open positions here. So Bitcoin right now, right here, is already at 4 to 1. Bitcoin right now is already at 4 to 1 on $10. Stellar right now is at 2 to 1 so far. Cardano 3.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio so far, and Chainlink at 22. So right now things are on pace for a good risk to reward ratio. So on the way to target. So we'll see how this goes. Just as a rule in my trading system, I will not initiate a trade unless it's at least 4 to 1. But I often look for much better risk to reward ratios. Actually, well, I take that back. I don't look for risk to reward ratios. I look for quality setups. Once I have them, anytime that I punch the number in, let's say maybe 95% of the time or higher, the risk to reward is 4 to 1 or better, sometimes up to 20 or 30 to 1s. But from 4 to 1 to 10 to 1 are quite common. 20 to 1 happens often enough that it's not the biggest surprise when it happens. Now, whether or not we're able to get to target that is a completely different story. But having the right risk to reward ratio to protect your account when you are losing trades, which everyone does, it will help to protect you. Okay, well, that'll cover everything for this session. This is On Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.